This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sky Kelly. Stunning Costal design 3-bedroom 3.5 bath featuring an open and spacious floor plan with 14 ceilings with an abundance of windows throughout the home. Custom cabinetry and quartz countertops are featured in the Gourmet Kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a large custom granite countertop. All bedrooms have private baths.Master bath has walk-in shower and relaxing soaking tub with a custom his and hers closet with built-in drawers. Custom saltwater pool with complete screened-in lanai. Naples Reserve amenities include Clubhouse, resort pool, a CAF and #Z9, style restaurant, tiki bar and exercise/yoga room to mention a few. This unfurnished annual rental will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Sky Kelly at 239-659-2400.